In step down transformer, the ratio of output power to input power is 80%, means power in secondary to that of power in primary. Ratio of primary power in secondary to power in primary, it is 80%, means it is 80 divided by 100, or it is 0.8, or you can say power in secondary is 0.8 times power in primary. Now it is used on 1000 volt supply, means primary voltage is 1000. Primary voltage is what? 1000. To deliver a current of 20 ampere at 120 volt, means voltage at secondary is 120 volt and current in secondary is 20 ampere. Then the current drawn from the supply, IP, we want to calculate. See here, we know the value of Vs and Is. Therefore, power in secondary is equal to voltage across secondary multiplied by current in secondary. What is voltage across secondary? It is 120. Current in secondary is 20. So, power in secondary is equal to 120 into 20. It means it is 2400 watt. 2400 watt. Now, we want to find out current in primary. So, see here, power in secondary is equal to 0.8 times power in primary. Now, what is the value of power in secondary? 2400 is equal to 0.8 times power in primary, means current in primary multiplied by voltage in primary. What is voltage in primary? It is Vp into Ip. That is 0.8 into, what is the value of primary voltage? It is 1000 into current in primary. So, 0.8 into 1000, it is 800. That 800 is taken in denominator. So, 2400 divided by 800 is equal to current in primary. So, these zeros get cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 3s are 24. So, current in primary is equal to 3 ampere. Current in primary is equal to 3 ampere. So, option C is the correct option for this question.